Hi, I am Dr. Parikshit Tank. I am a consulting obstetrician and gynecologist practicing in Mumbai. I am the joint treasurer of FOXY. Join me on FOXY's digital initiative on 19th November, Tuesday 2019 from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. I will be talking to you about preterm labor through an interactive webinar. The sheer number of variations that are related to the practice of preterm labor make it both interesting and controversial. I will touch upon the important aspects related to the practice of preterm labor and preterm births, mainly the prediction, prevention and the management along with new drugs. My thanks to Dr. Nandita Palshetkar, President FOXY, for conceptualizing this initiative, Zydus GynNext for supporting this idea financially, and DocMode for providing the technology for us to interact remotely.